Welcome to our comprehensive guide on rolling over your 401k funds into IRA accounts. Today, we will delve into the specifics of managing both Roth and traditional accounts in a rollover situation. With some strategic steps and a bit of planning, this process can be straightforward. Let's get started. Here's what we'll cover today. First, we will understand the basics of the rollover process. Next, we will discuss how to handle combined checks effectively. Then we'll explore some best practices to ensure a smooth transition. Finally, we'll wrap up with a conclusion and summary of key points. In this section, we will explore the fundamental aspects of rolling over 401k funds. An important concept to grasp is that this process involves the transfer of assets rather than a contribution. This means it doesn't affect the annual contribution limits for IRAs. You can transfer the complete balance from your old 401k without worrying about annual IRA contribution limits. Now let's discuss the scenario where you receive a combined check for your Roth and traditional 401k funds. First, you need to determine if the check is made payable to you or directly to your IRA custodian. If it is payable to you, you can deposit it into your bank account. You should then distribute the funds to the appropriate IRAs within 60 days. It is important to understand that taxes might be withheld from your distribution, which could reduce the check amount. However, these taxes are usually refunded during the next tax season. Lastly, make sure you have both Roth and traditional IRA accounts set up with a financial institution to facilitate a smooth rollover. Let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. What should you do if you receive a combined check for your 401k rollover? A. Deposit it immediately without checking pay instructions. B. Check the payee and contact your IRA custodian. C. Keep it in your bank account beyond 60 days. D. Ignore the tax withholding. You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and we will discuss the solution in the next section of the video. The correct answer is B. Check the payee and contact your IRA custodian. This step is essential to ensure that the funds are deposited correctly into the appropriate accounts. Let's explore some best practices for a smooth 401k rollover process. Firstly, always request separate checks for your Roth and traditional accounts from your 401k plan administrator to simplify the transition. If you do receive a combined check, it's imperative to contact your IRA custodian promptly, as they might have specific procedures to help split the deposit correctly. Lastly, maintain meticulous records of all your transactions, such as distribution checks, deposit slips, and account statements. This is vital for accuracy during tax season. In conclusion, rolling over a 401k to both Roth and traditional IRA accounts can be seamlessly achieved with an understanding that it is an asset transfer, not a contribution, hence no impact on contribution limits. It's important to carefully handle combined checks and adhere to best practices like requesting separate checks and maintaining records to ensure a hassle-free rollover. Thank you for watching our guide on rolling over 401k funds. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more financial tips and insights. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.